Gage here from the Block G group. In this short video here, I'm going to explain to you preferred return. If you're new to commercial real estate or thinking about getting into it, you probably heard that term and probably didn't know what that meant. What does that mean? In this short, quick video, I'm going to explain it to you in kind of really layman's terms. And again, this is just for educational. This is not a legal definition. This is just how we define it, and then so you can be better adapt to playing in the commercial real estate game when you get there. All right. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, folks. I'm going to talk to you about preferred return. So really, let's take a look at a definition of the preferred return, right? For some business journals, a preferred return, or what they call a pref in the business, is a profit distribution, okay, basically. And that's it. In a nutshell, you can read this, and I give you the link to take it. But basically, a preferred return is paid to the investors before any other investments are paid. Okay, so let's say an investment has a 7% preferred return. That 7%, that money is returned first to the investors, okay, before the general partner, before anybody else gets money. And typically in a syndication, it is like a 70-30 split, or 80-20 with a 5 or 6, 7% pref. Means that each quarter or each month when the distributions happen, 7%, or that preferred return, is paid first before anybody else gets money. Okay, and here's another definition of it as well. Is a simple means that the investor is a preferred position, and that's really where you want to be. And again, some syndications offer this, not all syndications do, but what this video does is kind of just explain a little bit about this so you can start getting familiar with the terminology. And again, there's the link there that you can look and see and get a little bit more data on what it is. So, preferred return. It's given to the investors to make the investment enticing, right? We do it on our side to make a deal better, right? To really put it over the top. So, because if it's very competitive out there, you want to offer, as a syndicator, you want to offer that return, so your investors have a place to put their money, right? Because there's a lot of investors out there, and there's a lot of opportunities out there as well. It's typically given on high value add properties. Typically, if it's a lot of renovation, a lot of building. I've seen some of it on like new construction as well, because they're not going to have a cash flow right away. So to entice people to invest in the property, we offer a preferred return. So when that payment does come, let's say 6 months later or 8 months later, whatever it is, you get more money. Okay, and it's kind of in that way. And it's not good or bad, and I'm not saying either way, but just I'm trying to give you a definition of what it is and what you can expect. Okay, it's spelled out on the offering documents and throughout the webinar, and the offering memorandum in the webinar that usually takes place with an investment. Okay, so take a look at that. It could be anywhere from 6 to 8%. And in fact, I just saw an email from a very, let's say not famous, but a very well-known syndicator who's offering 10 to 12% preferred, and that's it. That's all he's offering. So there is different types of this. Now that one there is no split. They're just offering you a preferred return on your investment dollars. So there's a lot of different ways to do it. And again, the video is just kind of here to put out, get you a feel for what it is and the different forms that it can take. It can all be only way the investors are compensated. Like I just said, I just saw an email, and I've seen a couple different companies doing that where they offer you just a preferred return. That's it. That's all there is. There is no splits. There's no equity. There's nothing. It's just a preferred return, meaning you get your money first. Okay. So, well, I hope, folks, that this video has helped you. Again, just gives you a little bit of insight into what a preferred return is. But let me take 2 seconds here to kind of tell you what Block G is and what we're looking for. We're looking to buy, obviously. We're looking for value add opportunities, 1970s and up, and this is our elevator speech. For those that you know me, I go through this. This is an elevator speech. So when I talk to brokers and people who are looking in areas, I can tell them really quick what I'm looking for, right? We're in B and C class areas. We're purchase price anywhere from 2 million to 11 million. All right. And then, we're focused states are Michigan, Indiana, Georgia, Missouri, and Colorado right now. All right, so that's really what we're looking for. Love to hear from you if you live in those states or have opportunities in those states. But again, also take this format down, because this is your elevator speech. This is what you're going to tell people you do. I'm a real estate investor or a real estate entrepreneur, and I'm looking for this type of property. What this does is helps you be more focused and helps the people looking for you be more focused. Okay, well, listen, I hope this video was awesome, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment below. Also, I'd like to offer you a free gift. Head over to our website at opportunitycreator.com there and download our free gift, our free special report entitled "The Stock Market or Real Estate, which is the best investment?" And hopefully, by you being on this brief video, you'll understand that it is real estate. But that's for you to decide. And again, I'm not here to judge, but I'm here also to nudge you in the right way. But listen, thank you very much for your time and effort. Love to see you. Love to talk to you. Go on and take a look at the free report, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.